All right, so Apple is playing a very risky game with the iPhone SE4, a single camera in 2025. In a world where even budget phones have enough lenses to rival a spider's vision, Apple says, oh, nah, just one is enough. Bold move, right? Or is it just reckless? Today, we're diving into Apple's wild bet on power over pixels. And by the end of this video, you'll know if this stripped-down powerhouse deserves a spot in your pocket or if it's destined for the tech graveyard. First things first, let's talk about the elephant, or should I say the one-eyed Odin in the room. Yes, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to have just one rear camera, and honestly, I'm kind of into it. It's clean, minimalist, and nostalgic even, but hang on, this isn't 2016 anymore. The mid-range market is now packed with phones flaunting ultra-wide lenses, macro shooters, and enough zoom to photograph the moon. So why is Apple doubling down on just one lens? Well, here's the thing. Apple's betting big on their AI and computational photography. That single 48 megapixel sensor is a huge upgrade from the 12 megapixel on the SE3. And if Apple's AI magic can make your dog's fur look sharper than real life, maybe one camera really is enough for most people. But the SE4 isn't just about looking cute with its one-eyed design. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. We're talking Apple's latest A18 chipset, the same one from the flagship iPhone 16 series. That means insane performance, buttery smooth gaming, and enough AI power to rival Skynet. Oh, and let's not forget Apple's first in-house 5G modem, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a 6.1-inch OLED display, basically all the flagship goodies without the flagship price. And yes, it's based on the iPhone 14, which some of you might say is a bit old, but let's be real, if Apple can slap their latest software on it and keep it relevant for the next 5 years, does it really matter? Here's my theory. The SE4 is the Odin of iPhones, the Norse god who traded one eye for ultimate wisdom. Apple is sacrificing that extra camera to pack in more power, better AI features, and most importantly, keep the price reasonable. And honestly, for people who don't care about photography, this could be the perfect balance. But let's zoom out for a second. The mid-range market is about to get wild. Google's Pixel 9a is expected to come with a 5,100 mAh battery, dual cameras, and 7 years of software updates. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy A56 promises 6 Android OS updates, more than usual, and a seriously competitive price tag. And then there's the SE4, offering Apple's famous build quality iOS and that sweet USB-C port. So which one wins? It depends. If you want the best camera, go for the Pixel. If you're all about Android's customizability, Samsung's got you covered. But if you're here for reliability, longevity, and Apple's ecosystem, the SE4 might just be your new best friend. Here's the bottom line. If camera specs don't make or break your decision, the iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be an absolute no-brainer for around $500. Think of it as a flagship phone in disguise. Less flashy, more functional. But if photography is your thing, the iPhone 14, now also hovering around $500, might be the better deal. Decisions. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone SE for Apple's boldest move yet, or a step back in time? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, or your next phone might come with no cameras at all. Subscribe for more tech content, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.